We often hear at times there's a common saying that life doesn't have a fixed formula. It's very true, we have heard a lot of time. Now we adopt certain formulas in life and try out with our problem areas to find some solutions. Let us look at how to improve relationship at our workplace. Sometimes we have strained relations, working relations with our bosses, and this is a very painful situation for many of us as employees. I will share with you 3 specific measures which you can look into and experiment in this regard. Firstly, there is a value system for every individual. This is my value system and this is my boss's value system. Value system is nothing but my preference over certain things. Now, if my boss's value system is not compatible with mine, then I am likely to land up into a problem. Let us see an example. Suppose my boss believes in punctuality. He himself is very punctual, he is on time, and particularly he believes that any employee, be he a senior employee or a junior employee, needs to come at office on time. This is his expectation. Now, there's nothing wrong about this. It's absolutely genuine expectation. But I as a millennial employee, I as a young performer, believe that finally the task has to be done. Be I work at home, be I come late at office, but I stay late at office. So those considerations has to be there. This is my expectation as a millennial. I am also not wrong. But then these 2 attitudes towards work is incompatible. Now as a result, I need to adjust my approach towards this behavior of mine in order to be okay, be at a working relationship with my boss. Now this is the first thing. This doesn't mean that I have to leave, do away with my good values. No, we are not asking that. We are only asking you to look into whether you are able to align your value system with the good values which your boss has. The second aspect is, every department has a target for which we are working in an organization. The department has a target, it has an annual target, your boss has an annual target, and that is trickling down into your annual performance target. Now, if we as an employee can assist the boss to achieve his target, that would bring him success, that would bring him an additional payout, or he will grow faster. So we must help our bosses to grow. We must help our bosses to achieve his target, thereby the department target. And in that case, an employee who contributes towards his boss's achievement, accomplishment of targets, he will definitely be a desired employee by the boss. This is the second aspect. So just let us check, am I really consciously contributing not only to my target, but am I helping my boss, that is the department, for achieving the department target? Finally, the third point which we can focus upon is, sometimes we gossip a lot. There are grapevines and we gossip across a cup of coffee in the cafeteria. We often say few words about our bosses, about somebody else, about our other colleagues or peers. Sometimes those are not so good, and those reaches the final destination about the person whom we were speaking about. Now, if the person hears that this is what I have been talking about that person or my boss, which is not very good, which might be unparliamentary, the boss will have a complete different attitude towards me. And you may be aware that there has been several instances where just during a party, during a jovial moment, everybody sharing a happy moment, at that point of time, somebody's slip of tongue has caused him to get transferred, to get certain punishment postings. So then what should we do in this case? We need to, change our way we express ourselves. It is not putting a restraint on what we are talking, but it is aligning our positive thoughts into our words, into our expressions. That way, we will grow up into a much more matured, refined, presentable personality. So if we adopt these three things and we do an introspection that whether my value system, alignment with my value system with my boss, my contribution towards department targets and helping the boss to achieve his targets, and whether I avoid loose talks. If these three things can be worked upon, definitely there would be a significant improvement in relationship and working relation with our office supervisors. Please try it out. Thank you. Om Shanti.